I'm actually in Dollar Tree because I need to grab some baking decorating supplies, and some of you had really asked me if I could stop in this aisle here and film some of the coloring books and things for you guys. So I apologize, that's somewhere I haven't been focusing on. So just a quick little film, just a quick little walkthrough, share with you a couple things, and then I'm out of here because we have a ton of baking to do today. I'm so particular when it comes to coloring books. So these ones here have nice pages. If you're to choose something versus something, nope, these ones have pretty good pages too. Versus something that has the, you know what I mean, like the crafty brown. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like, take a look at this. I haven't seen these before. Spot the difference. Be fun for a kid. Oh, there's different ones too. Okay, so I'm just looking here because I need some things for crafting and also for baking. So I'm just going to go through. There's some cookie cutters. There's candy creations. I do need some of the gel tubes. And I might get some of the shimmering powder. Cookie cutters I have a ton of, and I don't need these ones because I have my metal ones. And look, right next to it are all of the stockings, which they have a ton of. I'm surprised. It looks like they were just restocked, to be honest, because normally I don't think they're this full, right? The ornaments are pretty picked over, but there are a few signs still. I can't get over that this store keeps replenishing their things. I grabbed a couple of these, and I don't know if I should grab any more before they're all gone. Still some candle holders, a few candles, and even the little diffuser still hanging around. Oh, and little red poinsettias. And the little metal candle holders up top. Bought some of these goodies to make a gift basket. I'm in the checkout, so I'm going to say goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick walkthrough. I'll put some footage, I guess, maybe just to share with you. So I thought I'd share with you when I was in Dollar Tree a while ago. Well, maybe 2 weeks ago or so, I purchased some of these items to put in a little clear gift basket. I'll put a video together, I think, and share with you how I'm wrapping them and putting them together. But I'm glad to see that there's still a ton of this product left in the store, and that you can also find it to make yourself a little gift basket. So this is an option for you if you'd like, and they have these little facial wipes and everything. So I think it makes for a wonderful, like, especially for a preteen or even a teenager. So anyways, this is older footage, but I do have these supplies that I want to make gift baskets for, and just wanted to give you guys the run through. I hope that you found this video helpful in a way, and I'm going to insert just a couple DIYs to give you some ideas on the things you can use in Dollar Tree to make some DIYs using those crafty items. So until next time, everyone, it was a super quick run into Dollar Tree, and I filmed a couple quick minutes, but that was about it. Anyways, until next time, everyone, bye for now. Thank you so much for watching.